Hello watch fans, so this just came in the mail yesterday. It's a watch that I've been putting off buying for a long time. I didn't really see a need for it, but because I already have quite a few watches, including a digital watch. Yes, this is a digital watch, but I guess curiosity got the best of me and I went ahead and pulled the trigger. So let's open this. As you can see right off the bat, it's a Casio. Wow. Okay, thank goodness it's a digital watch. So what do we have here today? It's the legendary watch, the F91W. Well, the reason, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't get this watch is I already have a G-Shock, and I don't really need another digital watch. But okay, let's see what it comes with. So it comes with, well, just a manual plain box. Can't expect much for something that costs less than $10. So what we have here is a legendary watch, the Casio F91W. I've always been curious how this watch actually looks like in real life. I mean, I've seen it a lot of times in shops and all, but well, I got it also. The other reason is so that I can give it to my son. He's always been asking for a watch that is waterproof. So, and I know that this watch at the least is he can take it bathing. So I just adjusted the time. Well, I don't know if you can hear the drum beats, but it's still Chinese New Year and they still have some lion dance going on nearby where I stay. So back to the review. I've just adjusted the time, and it's a very simple watch. I hope I'll be doing a review on this watch soon. Please look out for that. Just a quick rundown on what it can do. It tells the time. It has an alarm function, stopwatch, and well, that's basically it. It tells the day and the dates and the month as well. So it also has lights, which is okay, you can't really see it here now because it's a little bit too bright, but well, it's a very basic watch, and dare I say that it might be among the best value watch out there in the market for its price. I mean, dollar to dollar, I doubt you can get anything more functional or more worth it than this. So just a quick little unboxing, guys, and hope you guys enjoy this and look out for the review in the future. Thanks guys, and see you guys next time.